Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we learn how to create 3D text without using any plugin. Now let's get started. First of all, we will create a composition. We call it main. Then we add the text. We will align it to center. Now press Y, change its anchor point to center. Now you can press F4, or click on below, to enable toggle and switches option. And turn on 3D. We come here, then open the text menu. Now click on Change Render. Change Classic 3D to Cinema 4D. And click on OK. Open Geometry Options. Then change Depth to 50. Now we will create a new camera layer. My focal length is 45 mm. Now press C. To switch to camera tools, first we need Zoom tool. Then Rotation tool. Light plays an important role in 3D, so we will add light. We use Spotlight. You can choose any color you want. Now we will duplicate it. Then press P for position. Change X position value to something like that. We will come down and click on Material option. Here we turn on Cast Shadows. Cast Shadow is very important in 3D. It makes it more realistic. Now we are going to change the YZ position value of second light. We are going to add bevel. In Geometry option, change bevel amount to 3.5. Style to concave. There are two more styles you might like. Now double click on second light. Change its darkness to 80%. We will press C, and change the camera view. Now select the camera and press P, Shift A. Then add both keyframe. Move forward approximately 1 second. Then change the camera angle, something like that. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And follow me on Twitter. Please give your 1 minute to check my Gumroad account. All the links are below. Now we will select both keys and change it to Easy Ease. We will copy the both keys, then move few frame forward, and paste it. Right-click, and change it to Time Reverse Keyframe. Now close the work area by pressing N. And let's preview it. Our today topic is complete. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And follow me on my Instagram account. Please don't forget to leave your feedback. Your feedback is very important to us. We will meet on next tutorial, and be happy.